guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Libby Noel, and today I have a short little video for you of me doing sound effects. So I found a ton of sound effects on an editing app I have, and these ones were fun to make and really cool. So go check that out. And I think I have stuff on my face, but go watch the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, hit the bell for notifications if you want to see more, comment down below what else you want to see, and yes, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead, YouTube channel, Libby Noel. Okay,